Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are good. So today our video's topic is stress management. So as you know that whenever we talk about any topic, we should know the meaning of that topic. So here the topic is stress management. So we should know what's the meaning. So let's get started with it. So what is stress? Stress is tension and management is how you can manage that. So how you can manage your tensions, your stress, that how you can do that thing, how you can give time to that thing, how you can do that, how you can manage that. This is the thing which is called stress management. So let me change the color so that it would be visible to you nicely. So now let's move to the different parts. Like first is therapy. So in this video I will tell about you about two therapies, two types of therapies. One is physical therapy and second is psychology therapy. So let's get started with that. So therapy. Okay, so let's move. First is psychology therapy. It is a type of therapy which is used for our mind for make our brain active. And next is physical therapy. In physical therapy, exercise is there which makes your body feel very active, very relaxed. So here you can see that here a girl is there which is making someone do exercise, which is very nice. She's helping persons so that they get active, they have therapies. And nowadays there are a lot of shops of therapies also, physiotherapy. Next comes spa. Spa is bath. So it is very important that you give bath also its own time. Whenever you take bath, do not feel in a hurry that after bath fast I have to go there and then there. Do not do this thing, because you should also give everything its particular time. So give bath also its particular time. It's important. Next comes exercise. There are a lot of exercise and you should give time to every exercise, because exercise is nice. It makes your body feel very active, and those who do exercise, they will know that why exercise is very important. Because as you all know that rising obese children are getting higher, and rising rate of obesity is higher in India nowadays. So it is very important to get fit and fine, and from getting fit and fine you are healthy, and health is very important. So there are a lot of exercises like jogging. Now comes hobby. So first I will tell you my hobby. So my hobby is reading books. I like reading novels and books very much. Whenever I go to any market, anywhere, I always buy a book because I like reading them, and I like reading novels much. And please, you also tell me in the comment section that what's your hobby, so I also come to know that what's yours. So next is meditation. Meditation is very important, because from that your brain gets super active and your learning and revising skills get very higher. Like if you firstly you will not get learned anything, and if you do meditation you will learn very fastly. Your catching speed will get higher. And meditation is just concentration in between your eyebrows, center center in your eyebrows. Next comes yoga. So in this video you are this photo you are seeing a lot of girls doing some yoga asanas. So there are a lot of asan, dandasan and sirsasan. A lot of are there. So you should also do yoga. It is very healthy. From that you get healthy and health as well. Next comes nature. So you know that people say, doctors say that go outside, feel nature, and your eyes will feel very relaxed. So this is, so in this picture you are seeing very beautiful scene. Here is a tree, and in the water you are seeing the reflection of the whole structure which is up there. Like here are some mountains, and you are seeing this whole structure in the water. So this is the beauty of this nature. You should feel nature. Our India is very beautiful. No need to go outside. Our earth is very, very beautiful, guys. Please watch it and feel. It's beautiful. And I like my India very, very much, because whenever I go anywhere, I just see there's greenery. And guys, when you see greenery, your eyes feel very nice, very relaxed. So it is good. Next comes music. It is not important that everybody likes music. It is not important. Some people like music, some doesn't. Those who like, they can give time to music particular. So at last I will tell you one thing which is very, very important. So firstly, let's complete this. So here, music. Some people, those who like music, they always give time to every particular thing. So here also we would give time to music. Music is nice. You will get some maths information, some beats, everything. So it is very, very nice. Next comes time management, and about time management we will learn in next video. So as I told you that I will tell you about one thing, so let's talk about that. I was saying that give every particular thing its own time, because everything should have its own time. Do not do this like I will give 5 minutes to 1 hour for playing, sorry, 1 hour for study and 3 hours for playing. This is not good. Always give everything its particular time, because everything should get its own time. I was saying about this, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel REdulearn, and hit the bell notification so whenever I upload a new video you get notified. And thank you guys.